Greetings and welcome to this update video. So good news for all of you who stayed put on A13 and lower devices ranging from iOS 17.4 to 18.7.1 including iOS 26.0.1 and lower. So we have a new jailbreak which is the Dopamine 3, as you can see right here, and in this video we will talk about briefly how you can install it on your supported devices, and we will also discuss some important notes. So as you can see this tweet here, Dopamine 3.0 is out and you can simply get it from its official GitHub page, as you can see right here. Now if you check out releases, we have this new release. Version 3.0 was out, and now at the time of making this video, version 3.0.1 is now out, which fixes a lot of issues and will make your experience better. For your ease, I will add this tweet as a reference to the pinned comment. As you can see, we also have this written guide here, which you can take reference from and install it on your device very easily. Now to install it on your device, you can simply head to the official GitHub page for Dopamine and get the latest release. Simply get the IPA to your computer first from here, and then you can use Impactor. It is also completely free. You can get it from its official GitHub page, as you can see right here, and from there you will simply get its file for your Windows PC. If you are using Windows, you can simply get the Impactor Windows x86-64 file and install it on your PC like any other app. Also, to make Impactor work and detect your device, you will also need iTunes, so install iTunes from the official Apple's website. Now if you are using Impactor for the very first time, make sure you go to utilities and then keep your device unlocked and then hit trust device once. On your device, hit on trust, type in your passcode, and now it is paired successfully. Now go back and then hit this gear icon. From there you can add your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work. Once done, you can simply drag and drop the Dopamine IPA onto Impactor and then hit install. Between the process, if you see an error, you might have to disable Defender temporarily, and after the installation is complete, make sure you enable it, and then the process should complete and you will see the Dopamine app right on your iPhones or iPads home screen. Now you can close out of Impactor. Alright, as you can see, the Dopamine app is now at my home screen. Before I can open it, I have to go to settings, then go to general and scroll all the way down to device management and trust this app from here. Also go one step back, then go to privacy and security. From there you will have to enable the developer mode. You will only see the developer mode once the app is installed onto your device. Simply turn it on, your device will restart. Simply follow the instructions and then developer mode will turn on. Despite being on iOS 26.0.1, as it's an A14 device, you can see it is not supported. If I open the Dopamine app, I waited a long time on iOS 26.0.1 only to find that A14 or higher devices are not supported, unfortunately. So if your device is supported, you'll see a jailbreak button. Simply hit it, complete the process, and your device will be jailbroken. Now if you are still confused, you can see the list here with the proper devices and the supported versions. I have already made complete guides to jailbreak iOS 16.7.16 and 15.8.8. We used Dopamine 2.5 betas, but now you can use Dopamine 3.0 directly. The method remains same. You can find them in the description. You can simply pause the video here and check out if your device is supported. You will have to keep some things in mind. You can see that if you are using an A12, XOZ or A13 device on iOS 16.6 or later, the screen will turn off and on briefly during the jailbreak process. This is completely normal. And if you are on a device with 2 GB of RAM, meaning the non-plus models of iPhone 7, 6s and so on iOS 15.8.7 and 15.8.8 or 16.7 or later, the Dopamine app may need to respring your device before you attempt to jailbreak. In that case, Dopamine app will notify you. So this is also completely normal. After the respring, you will simply repeat steps 1 and 2 to open the Dopamine app and then tap jailbreak. Also, I saw some comments that people were complaining that their screen, the touch screen, is not working after the jailbreak. So you can see the statement here that if your screen was replaced and it is now of low quality, the touch screen will not work. So the only solution is to get a better screen replacement. And after the jailbreak, you will simply install Alikit and Preference Loader by going to search. Once done, simply hit reboot device. Your device will do a user space reboot, means it will not be a complete reboot. And then you are ready to install your tweaks. Now, if you are on iOS 18 or later and now jailbroken and you are having difficulty finding the settings for your tweaks, they will not appear on the settings main page at the very bottom. Now they will appear under general. Go to settings, then go to general, and then scroll down and you'll find the settings for your tweaks right here. Lastly, talking about the relaxing jailbreak, it was scheduled to be released by 8th of August, but the public beta for relaxing jailbreak is already out. The difference is that the relaxing jailbreak uses the root hide out of the box. So if you want to root hide out of the box, you can use relaxing jailbreak on your supported devices, but the Dopamine jailbreak is completely rootless. Yes, you can install Dopamine root hide on your supported devices to get the same function. That's all for this video, guys. If I have more information to share, I will definitely do it with you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.